Hello and welcome back to a AP Biology video. So this video is going to be on Unit 4 of AP Biology, cell communications and cell signaling. So first we have the two different types of cell signaling that can occur. So there's local signaling and there's long distance signaling. And what local signaling is it's basically just direct contact of cells or very close contact. So cells touching and they can signal with each other through their membranes in this way. And what long distance signaling is it's basically what it says, so long distance signaling. And cells use something called hormones to communicate and signal each other from a distance. And so there's three main steps to cell signaling. The first step is reception. And what reception is it's basically a receptor on the cell, and what happens is a ligand or a signaling molecule binds to the receptor on the cell, which initiates the signal transduction pathway, which is what the pathway of cell signaling is called. Transduction is basically an ordering of different molecules in the cell, and what it does is it amplifies the signal or changes the signal to make it into something that the cell can actually read to communicate a response, which is the next step. And what a response is it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just the desired effect occurring, and it's just the end result of the pathway. And what cell receptors are always shaped perfectly to fit their ligand. And remember, the ligand is the signaling molecule. So in this example here, we have a little bit of a triangular shaped receptor, as you can see here, and there's a square ligand, and obviously a square ligand is not going to fit into a triangle like that, right? So this ligand is not going to bind to this receptor, and therefore this pathway will not be initiated in this case. But in this case, the ligand is a triangle, which means it'll fit right into the receptor, which will lead to the signal transduction pathway occurring. And the reason this happens is for specificity of reactions, right? So obviously you don't want the wrong reaction occurring at the wrong time, and you don't want the wrong ligand initiating the wrong receptor or the wrong receptor binding to the incorrect ligand, and vice versa. So you just want to make sure that things are occurring at the right time, and that's what this does. And lastly, there's three different types of cell membrane receptors. So there's the GPCR, which is the G protein couple receptor. There's the RTK, which is the receptor tyrosine kinase. And there's the ion channel receptor. And an example of this is the ligand-gated ion channel. And these three types, I'm not going to go into today what they actually do and the differences between them, but just know that they exist. Anyways, that's going to be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching.